Hello, Amir back with another video, and this video is all about to open a drain which is plugged, and well, DIY home improvement. I'm bringing a lot of videos for you to do your work around the house. Lately I did one video that is feature wall that we did, and some other video that I did for your bathroom renovation, and also some video for smart switches. So today's video is pretty much for the opening of the drain for the sink here, and I understand that the sink is very important in every household, in the kitchen especially. We want to use every day, and the line get plugged. Why the line get plugged? Obviously we have some grease running, some fat running in the drain, so the drain get plugged. So in this case we tried a plunger. So we tried a plunger many times, but that's okay for temporarily. It has a flow, and also we tried a baking soda and vinegar and some other chemical. Obviously I totally understand that those products work, but they work temporarily, but you can't solve the problem for long run. So to solving the problem long run, we went to the store, and we went to the Home Depot. The Home Depot, we rented out this small equipment, and that's we rented just the 4 hours, and it has the nice cable in front, and we can plug with the plug, and we will use this one to open this sink which is plugged. So this is an auger. This auger is very easy to use. It has this cable. The cable is 25 feet, which will go in our ABS pipe, which is a black pipe. About that pipe is 1.5 inches, and this is a release. So when we have to release it, we will push this, and also we have I already hooked it up. So let's say I'm just running a little bit to just for a demonstration. So you see here that is running, and then okay, so now go the forward, so that's going forward, and then I got a switch over here, and that I can turn left. When I turn left and then push my lever, and it will release. So if I have to come back, I push my button down and then push my lever, and it will bring it out. So this is pretty handy, and we don't want to do a big line, so it's just the 1.5 inch line that we're going to open and to clean the grease. So you can see that a drain is plugged, the water is there. As I mentioned you earlier, we did try a baking soda, we tried vinegar, and we also tried a chemical, and that will help a little bit, but it's not helping a long run. So that's why we brought this machine today, and we just want to use this auger. That auger is a 25 feet, and let's go put the auger down. So now we are under the sink, and we did clean all the stuff out from the sink, and we're gonna go open the clean out which is ABS under the sink. So this is a P-trap, and I understand that's a dishwasher discharge, and that's a P-trap here. And our P-trap is good because we did try it. We opened and cleaned it before. That's good. But this P-trap drain is going down with this clean out. So we have another clean out that's for the vent. So I'm gonna open this clean out to use my auger. So I have this grip wrench, and I'm gonna open it slowly and make sure that I don't see any water here. Obviously there will be a water part on this line. So I'm gonna open this, and see there is some water, and I'll just close it back and put some pan. All right, so let's open it and see. There's gonna be a little bit of water. So yeah, that's gonna get water. Okay. All right, so that's the water, that kind of overflow water. which is good. We drained it, and now we're gonna run this auger inside, and I'll just feed it in. Okay, I'm gonna do slowly. So I'll just manually push it down. Okay. So pretty much it looked like a 15 feet is gone inside. So I just want to have a little bit break and see if there is any obstacle. Look like all right. So here we are in the furnace room where our main line is coming down from the kitchen, and we came here, we feeded the auger all the way from there, and you can see, and then our auger end is up to here. So that's mean that line we are after to clean it, and you see a lot of puddles here, but that's gonna go down in the drain, and that's the cover. We open it to take a look. So look like our auger wire is all the way down, so that's what we were looking to clean it. And then we're gonna go back and then bring this cable out and then run the water, see if that line is completely cleaned. Okay, so just double check it if that wire is completely in, so I can see that wire. Okay, here's the wire. So that wire is here. That means it came from the sink all the way down. Now we're gonna reverse it and then run the water, and hopefully that drain is cleaned. So I'm going to bring that auger out. So I have to go reverse. Make sure. All right, so my auger is out, and I'm going to put the cover back. Make sure that tight and nice, because we don't want to smell any sewer gas. So that must be a tight, nice tight, and make sure we don't do a cross thread. And once this is tight, all right, once this is tight, and then I'm gonna go in the sink and I'm gonna make the water. Okay, so here's in the sink, and I'm just make the water, like keep the water, like hold the water a little bit up to here. And once I got the water up to here, and what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go down and see if the flow is there. So in this case I need a help, so I'm gonna ask my son if he go downstairs with the camera, or and then see if the water is coming there.
Okay, so as you can see, the water is coming out nicely with a nice flow right here. So that means everything is cleaned out now. It's going into the drain.
Alright, since the machine work is done and our tool is done, and let's see here, I have some water build up here, and we release the water, and I can hear the sound, and that sound is pretty much telling us that water is going to see that sound. Water is going very fast, and Another thing, what we have to do under the sink. So since my tap is running, and I'm gonna go down and double check if there is any leak. It's very important. We have to determine the leak. So there is no leak, and I don't see any leak here. There is no any leak, and I don't see any leak here. No leak. And then make sure all the fittings are pretty tight, and just visually check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's pretty much is tight, and there is no any leak. So that's mean the water is going fast. So now we have a clear sink and has a nice flow. And how much it does is cost is I think a $45 that we had it from the store. So I would say that really helpful, and we are good now, and hopefully this is gonna work very well, and in your area probably is gonna work well for you. So again, thank you very much, and thank you very much. And if you get a chance to just subscribe or put some comments there, and we will bring another video for you. Thank you very much again. Bye.